been dying to get my hands on this phone, and it's finally here. Friends, this is our look at the OnePlus Open. It has been a year of foldables, and I've been waiting for this phone since last year. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. In today's video, we're finally unboxing the OnePlus Open. And yes, if you followed along on the channel, I know you guys know that we've previously checked out a phone that I'm just gonna say is more than similar to this foldy. But heck, this is a OnePlus, and I've been wanting to get my hands on this phone for a while now, and it's finally here. So without further ado, let's unbox. Let's take a closer look at this phone. So this back is nice and matte. Fingerprint and lock button here. You have your volume rocker, and of course that toggle, which is very OnePlus. It's for silent and vibration mode. Now up top you have your speakers, so as down below, and that USB-C charging port. As you can see, this phone really does have a very big camera module, and despite this being a very sleek phone, well, for a foldable, unfolding is very satisfying, and that's a nice sturdy hinge. Now camera count, you get one up top there. You also get another one when unfolded, and of course you get those 3 rear powerful cameras. This is how that flip looks. Let me show you again and again. Now there's always still a crease on these foldies, but as you can see, like, it doesn't really feel that bad at all anymore. And this hinge, just like I said, it's very sturdy. It does flip back when you fold it just a little bit, but it does keep those angles. And you know what those angles mean? They mean more shooting positions. So first off, you can take a photo with this selfie camera, but you can also unfold the phone and take a photo with this camera. Now, as you can see, tap here, it gives you that 2-panel situation. If you tap this, you see that the cover screen is on, and all the controls are over here. Now, this is specifically great for vlogging by yourself, because then you have a preview and you're using the best cameras on the phone. And this is the best part. As you can see, the screen disabled, so no need to worry about accidentally touching anything on that big screen. Now if you flip those cameras over, you're gonna see this other button, and that is your dual preview mode. As you can see, the preview is still now turned on, but you don't have any control. So this is the mode that works best if you want someone to take your photos for you. You can frame yourself still as someone takes that shot. You can also, of course, fold this and shoot this way, and you can even switch out that preview. Now I've been trying to shoot, well, with the front-facing camera, but I don't think it really works if you unlock the phone. Did you see that? It automatically turns off. So yeah, but still many different ways to shoot with this foldy. All in all, I like the feel of this foldy. It does fold as if it's a bigger phone still, but it's not that bulky, I would say. And the front screen isn't awkward to use because it is shaped like a normal sized candy bar phone. So this is the OnePlus Open and the OPPO Find N3 side by side. And as you can see, they are very, very, very similar phones. One could say that they're actually the same phone. The thing is, these two phones differ in availability. So the OnePlus Open is available in the US and I believe in Europe. Meantime, the OPPO Find N3 is available in the Asia market. Because I just got the OnePlus Open, I obviously spent more time with the OPPO Find N3. I also have a video on it, and if you've seen that, you'd know my thoughts on this phone. I will say that having had spent more time on the OPPO Find N3, that this is one durable phone. I even dropped this in the ocean, like full-on salt water, which you're not supposed to do, and by all means, I didn't think it would survive, but it did, and it's doing amazingly as if I never dropped it in the ocean. So if that's any indication of durability when it comes to the OnePlus Open, then we're pretty good. Camera tour time, let's go. So we are at wide under photos 1x, you get a 2x. And then you also have a 3x, 6x, and you can zoom up until 120x. That's pretty far out. And then back to wide. On this right side, you also have your retouch settings and many different filters. Like, there are a lot of stuff on here you can add to your photos. On the right side, you have even more settings. You have HDR settings. You can switch around the sizes for the photos you're taking. And then you get portrait mode 1x, 2x, 3x, and well, you can zoom only up until 3x. You can also toggle the different aperture settings as you can see, and it changes around the blurriness of the photo. You also have filters again as well under portrait. And then you also get all these other different camera features, which includes expand mode, which is very specifically Hasselblad. And that was our first look at the OnePlus Open. I mean, you guys know that I already like this foldy more than that other candy bar shaped foldy. But then again, I know that you guys already know I thought this because of my opinions on the OPPO Find N3. All I can say is foldable phones have definitely arrived. And this right here, I feel, is the better iteration of the book type foldy. That being said, let me know what else you would want to see me test out with this phone. If you want a social media test or a camera vlog test, because of course we want to be testing out those Hasselblad cameras, comment down below. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.